है तुम्हारा टॉपिक। ये सब तो हो गया ना, इंट्रोडक्शन टू ग्राफ, यूनिटरी मेथड, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, टाइम एंड वर्क भी हो गया। ये भी हो गया ना, टाइम एंड वर्क। एक्सपोनेंट पावर, प्लेइंग विथ नंबर्स, कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटीज, स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट भी आधा हो ही चुका है, थोड़ा सा बचा है। बहुत ज्यादा कुछ बचा नहीं, सब छोटे छोटे टॉपिक्स हैं। बड़ा सिर्फ एक मेंसुरेशन बचा है और ये अलजेब्रा। ये दो खत्म हो जाएगा ना, मैक्सिमम खत्म हो जाएगा। फिर उसका नंबर सिस्टम, ये सब रैशनल नंबर, लीनियर,
फिर एक दिन लगेगा सब में। अब एक दिन का टॉपिक है सब।
हाँ, सब छोटा छोटा है। मेन मेंसुरेशन है, अलजेब्रा है, ठीक है। अगर देखोगे, अगर पुराने
टाइम एंड वर्क नहीं हुआ है,
टाइम एंड वर्क नहीं हुआ है। अरे यूनिट
टाइम एंड वर्क तो हो चुका है, डायरेक्ट इनवर्स पे क्वेश्चन ही में था।
सही था, टाइम एंड वर्क।
अच्छा नंबर से ज्वाइन कर रहा।
उसमें भी टिक लगा दीजिए, टाइम एंड वर्क में भी।
हाँ, लगा देंगे। इस वाले में तो वॉल्यूम एंड सरफेस देख कितने क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। मेंसुरेशन से बहुत, अलजेब्रा से कम आता था, लेकिन इस बार आएगा बराबर। जो यहाँ ज्यादा आया है ना, वॉल्यूम, सरफेस, एरिया, पेरिमीटर, ये तो पूरा भरा पड़ा है, देख रहे हैं।
बट सिलेबस रिड्यूस नहीं किया है बहुत, स्कूल में तो पढ़ाई भी नहीं हुआ।
रिड्यूस क्यों करेगा? रिड्यूस कर देगा तो
कोरोना की वजह से।
कोरोना की वजह से कुछ नहीं। चलो ठीक है, सब लोग तो आ गए हैं, प्रशांत नहीं है खाली। ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, फैक्टराइजेशन देखेंगे हम लोग, उसके बाद फिर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। ठीक है, फैक्टराइजेशन के क्या पॉइंट्स हैं?
Sir, we finished with points. We have to do factorization points.
Yes, this is factorization. Factorization. In normal situation, what is the factor? What is the factor? Normally, what do you mean by factor?
The number which will
Multiples. Sir, multiples.
Multiples is different and factors are different.
multiples are greater than the number.
If both are same, then what is LCM and HCF? Why these are different? These two are different. LCM is multiple, lowest common multiple, and HCF is highest common factor. Factor means whatever number can divide it. Okay, like 1 is its factor, can divide 18 by 18 times. Okay, 2 can divide 18 by 9 times. 3 can divide 18 by 6 times.
6 times.
Right? 6 can divide 18 by 3 times. And again, once more, 18 can divide 18 by 1 time. So these are the factors.
9 is also.
9 is there. 9 2s are 18. Okay. So these are factors. And what about multiples? Multiples are the same what we learn in table. Okay. So first multiple of 18 is itself 18. Second multiple is into 2.
36.
Third
54.
Can be divided by this number 18. Okay, multiples are that number which will be divided, which can be completely divided by this number 18, and factors are that number which will divide 18 completely. Okay, so don't confuse in factors and multiples. Okay, clear? So like this in algebra also,
Okay, sir.
factorization. Okay, the simple factorization I'll tell you. The simple factorization is what is, so suppose a square is there. So what are the numbers which can divide a square? A square can divide it by 1. Okay, if you divide a square by a square, you will get 1. Okay, and then a is there. If you divide a square by a, then you will get a. Okay, and 1 by 1, if you divide, you will get a square. So 1 is the factor of everything. From 1 you can divide anything, everything. Okay, so this is the very simplest factor example. So we will see the points here, then we will start solving the questions. So first point is representation of an algebraic expression as the product of two or more expressions is called factorization. Okay, So see, what is the meaning of this point? A into A plus B. So what we are doing, there are two terms. This is one term and this is second term. We are multiplying with first term to the second term. So representation of any algebraic expression Okay, we will start science today. 4 o'clock. We will take 5 o'clock science on YouTube.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
But I'm not there.
No problem. Just it will be on YouTube. You can see afterwards. No problem.
Yeah.
Yogandan is saying that from 1 week we have not taken science. No problem. Science and intelligence test we will do on YouTube. Okay. Okay. This is one. This is the example of algebraic expression. Representation of an algebraic expression as the product of two or more expressions. See, this is one expression. This is second expression. If you multiply both, you will get equation or expression. Sorry, no equation. You will get expression. What expression you will get? A multiplied by A. That is
A square.
Plus B into
A square.
A square plus AB. So you will get one expression with two terms. Okay. So you are representing this expression, second expression with the first expression. Both are same. There is no difference. Both are same. But this is in factorized form. This is first one is factorized form. This one is factorized form. Okay. And this is general form, general algebraic form. This is algebraic expression. This is factorized algebraic expression. Okay. This is the last. Like if you say 18 is a number. But if you write 9 into 2, what is this? This is factorization. You have written
factorized form of 18.
a factorized form of 18. Same procedure here in algebra. Okay. So
We represent in multiplication form.
yeah. Every factorization is multiplication form. Always factorization will be in multiplication form. You cannot factorize anything by subtracting or adding. You can divide. In factorization, we use multiplication and division only. Okay. So next, when we factorize an expression, we write it as a product of its factors. When we factorize, like 18, when we factorize it, we will write it as a product of its factor. Like its factor is 9 and 2. So you can write 9 into 2, or otherwise you can write 1 into 18, or you can write finish. Okay, so these are the possible factorization of 18. In the same way, we will do in algebra also. We will see example later on. These factors may be numbers, algebraic, or literal. Literal means what? ABCD. Okay, variables or algebraic expressions, whatever it can be. Okay, it can be the factors. Factors may be a number. A number can be a factor. An algebraic ABCD literal can be a factor. Okay, algebraic variables, which is, A, B, C, D, these all are algebraic variables, or algebraic expression can also be a factor. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, these are numbers. This can be a factor. A, B, C, D, this can be a factor. X, Y, Z, this can be a factor, or X plus Y, this also can be a factor. This is expression. This can be also a factor. Okay. Now, third, an irreducible factor is a factor which cannot be expressed further as a product of factors. Such a factorization is called an irreducible factorization or complete factorization. What I said earlier, when you did a complete factorization, further you cannot factorize that expression. Okay, so that is called irreducible factor. Now after that factorization, you cannot further factorize it. There is no chance to factorize anymore. Okay, that's why it is called irreducible factors. A factor which occurs in each term is called the common factor. Okay, this is common factor, means HCF. HCF is highest common factor, but what we do, we take common factors in HCF. Same thing is there. A factor which occurs in each term is called common factor. See, like this, A plus B factor is, suppose A. Here X plus Y, here is also a factor A. So what is the common factor in both? This is first expression, this is second expression. What is the common factors? Who will say the common factor in both the expression? Tell me, anyone. Anyone?
7.
What is the common factor?
First one.
7.
1. A. A is the common factor. What I'm saying, A into x plus y. This is one expression, okay? A into x plus y. This is first expression. Second expression is A into z plus y. This is second expression. So what is the common in between first and second? What is
Y and A.
A and Y.
A.
y? This is one term. If there is plus and minus, it is called one expression. You cannot say it is common. In
A is the common.
algebra, where is plus or minus, you have to take all x plus y. You will say x plus y. This is the term. If same x plus y is anywhere, then you can say these are terms. These are factors, common factors. How? I will tell you. B into x plus y. Okay. This is one expression. Second expression is C into x plus y. So if plus or minus is there, then you have to consider as a whole. See, as a whole, you have to consider as a whole x plus y, like this x plus y. So here B and C are not common, but x plus y as a whole is common. So common
X plus y into plus b.
is x plus y. Okay. Any problem? Just tell me.
No, sir.
See, what are the factors of expression 1? What are the factors of expression 1? Tell me, Anuj. Anuj.
Yes, sir.
What are the factors of first expression?
Sir, 1.
No.
How many factors? Okay, 1 is the common factor. You know, everyone knows 1 is everywhere. So leave that 1.
Yeah.
Yes. Other factors. What is factors? Factors are that number which is shown by multiplication. Where is the multiplication sign? You know, in algebra, there is no multiplication sign.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, B.
Yeah, wherever two things are written, B and C, there is a hidden multiplication sign. Hidden.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You did not write
Bracket is equal to
Yes, sir.
multiplication.
multiplication. Okay, so,
Not from only x with y also.
so B is one factor and it is multiplied. It is multiplied by x plus y. So whole this is the second factor. Okay, this is first factor. This is second factor. And in second expression, what is that?
C is the first factor and x plus y is
X
the
plus
second
Y is
factor.
the second factor.
Okay, so what is the common? X plus y is common here. So
X plus Y.
common factor is x plus y.
X plus Y.
Okay?
Yeah.
So just take it very light, very easy. Don't confuse yourself. It's very easy thing. Just write 1, 2, 3. In first class, you have studied plus, minus, multiply, division. Same thing is here, but difference is just A, B, C, D is involved here only. Only A, B, C, D is involved here. Nothing
Yeah.
new. Okay, whatever you studied in class 3, class 2, class 4, class 5, same addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So everything will come here in algebra also. This is first class of algebra. You think this is first class of algebra. Okay, means first standard.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
The basic ones.
same you will study here, but in algebra. Algebra means A, B, C, X, Y, Z. This will be added there. And the rule I already explained yesterday. What is the rule? To add or to subtract.
Yeah.
What was the rule to add? You can add any
Like terms.
like term should be there in adding.
Add and subtract like terms. Multiply and divide unlike terms.
Yes, you are right. Adding and subtracting, the terms should be like. It's very important. Okay, this is the condition. You cannot add unlike terms. You cannot add, not at all. And the second rule is in multiplication and division, you can do whatever you want. Okay, wherever you, anywhere you can multiply or divide.
Whatever.
So we will keep in mind these two things and we will do the questions. First, we will finish this topic, these points. A factor which occurs in each term is called the common factor. Finish. The factorization done by using the distributive law is called the common factor method factorization. I will explain this one here. The factorization done by, this is very simplest step, simplest procedure to factorize. There are so many types of factorization. Okay, so this is the easiest way of factorization. Easiest means सबसे आसान तरीका है factorization करने का. ठीक है, तो सबसे आसान तरीका क्या है? मान लीजिए कि BC, फॉर एग्जांपल BC प्लस AC. Okay. So if you see this, you can easily understand that C is common in between first term and second term. Sorry, this first and second term. Okay. So what is the common in between first and second term? C. Okay. So you can take C outside. That is common factor. Common factor means if you multiply in B, then it will become BC.
And B plus A.
And if you multiply by A, it will become AC. So there is no difference between first and second. Okay. No any difference?
तो आपका आवाज फंस रहा है.
हेलो.
आवाज कट रहा है, आवाज कट रहा है.
सबके पास कट रहा है तो मेरा ही प्रॉब्लम होगा नेटवर्क का.
यस सर, आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
ओके, सही हो जाएगा अपने आप. कल कैसे हो गया था ठीक अपने आप. ओके, सो हियर
गया था अब.
BC plus AC, and we are writing it as C we take common and B plus A is the rest of this expression. Okay.
Factorized form of BC plus AC.
So this complete is factorized form, the second one. Okay. This
Yes, sir.
is form and this one
Yes,
is
sir.
general algebraic expression. So this is the simplest way of factorization. Simplest way. You cannot go further factorization after this. You cannot factorize more. So this is irreducible. So what it is saying, the factorization done by the, so this is distributive law. I forgot to tell.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Hello, this is distributive law.
सबका आवाज रोबोट की तरह आ रहा है.
सबका एक तरफ से प्रॉब्लम होता है, नहीं होता है. प्रॉब्लम होता है, प्रॉब्लम होता है. हेलो, कमिंग क्लियर?
यस, आप क्लियर है.
यस सर.
वो कभी कभी डाउन हो जाता है नेटवर्क, कोई प्रॉब्लम.
यस सर.
ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे क्या बता रहा था? So what, if you remember what you say, you see here, this is distributive law. Okay. If I'll give you like this, A into B plus C. So what distributive law says? You can multiply A into B and again A into C.
AB plus AC.
B plus AC. So what
Yes, sir.
here is reverse process. Okay, we are giving this one, we are given this one, and we are doing factorization and going back to this position. Okay, so this is one
Okay.
factorization. We are taking common A outside and B plus C inside.
B plus C.
Okay, this is the simplest way of factorization. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I will send all the recordings, no problem. If anyone have, in recording there is clear voice, no robotic sound in recording. Sometimes very rare. Okay, this was the simplest way of factorization. Now, this factorization done by using the distributive law property is called the common factor method of factorization. Okay, just now what we saw. Now next, sometimes many of the expressions to be factorized are of the form or can be put in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. See what you remember? This is identity. Okay, or x square plus a. This expression can
Repeat it, sir.
identity.
सर पूरा रिपीट करिए. तो पूरा आवाज कटा आपका.
This point, this is the point. Sometimes many expressions. Sometimes what happens when you see the expression, you remember the identity. Like if you see a square plus b square plus 2ab, what you realize here that this is an identity. So what is the factorization of this? A plus b whole square. Okay. Factorized form is a plus b, a plus b. This is the factorized form. Okay. You can say a plus b whole square also. Clear? This one? Identity.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Why we use identity? Because it's easy. It's easy to factorize. No
It
need
make easier.
Yeah.
It make easier to factorize.
to make it factorize, and also reverse method. It is easier to find value also. If you're going from this to this, it's easy to factorize. And if you're going this by this, so if you want to find value, if you want to find value, you can find easily by this identity. Okay. Now in the division of a polynomial by a polynomial, we carry out the division by dividing each term of the polynomial by the monomial. See,
Monomial.
yeah. So here what it is saying, it is saying the rule for division. So if you are dividing like this, see, I will give example of simple number. Suppose 6 plus 8 plus 10, and this whole divided by 2. Then what you will do? You will divide only 6 by 2 or 8 by 2 or 10.
वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है सर.
कौन बता रहा था? पीयूष.
Yes sir. It will be 3. Hello. सर वो 0 या 5 है?
ये 8 है.
8 है. 4 plus 4
प्लस 4
plus 5
प्लस 5
is equal to 12 by 2. Answer is 6.
is equal to
12 by 2.
is equal to.
Answer will be 6.
जब ऑलरेडी डिवाइड कर चुके हो तो फिर 2 कहाँ से आ गया? 2 से डिवाइड.
Oh, sorry sir. Yes sir.
क्या बच्चों की तरह काम कर रहे हो?
It will be 12.
Method to solve this one: either you add the numerator and then divide by 2, or you can divide first and then add. This is wrong. So you have divided already 6 by 2, that is 3, 8 by 2, that is 4, 10 by 2, that is 5. So if you add this, it will come 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. So this is 12, and see how the first method. First you add 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, and divided by 2. It will also come 12. Same.
Yes sir.
12 and 12. See, so what is the difference? Difference here, it is no difference, but in algebra you have to do like second method. So in algebra, what is the problem? 4a plus 2b plus 8c divided by 2. So here it is problem that these are unlike terms, so you cannot add it. Okay, in normal you added 24 and divided by 2, it was easy, it came 12. But here you cannot add a, 2b, 8c because they are unlike terms. That's why you have to divide all the terms by 2. Okay, you have to divide all the terms by 2. This is what it is. See the point in the division of a polynomial. This is a polynomial. Okay, 3 terms polynomial. You have to divide polynomial by a. This is monomial. Sorry, this is monomial. This is monomial. Okay, and this is polynomial. You are dividing a polynomial by a monomial. So what will happen? We carry out the division by dividing each term. What is each term? These are each term, 1 term, 2nd term, 3rd term. So you have to divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial. So what will come here? Who will tell the answer?
I will.
Tell me.
7ABC.
Where is 7? This is 4.
So first of all we cut 4 by 2 is equal to 2, then 2, then 1, then 8 is equal to 4.
No.
So first and then we add what?
Top term wise. 2a
Okay.
plus
Right.
4b plus 8c divided by 2.
2.
So top term. So first you have to divide like this. So what will come? 2a divided by 2, that is a.
A.
And then you have to divide like this, keeping in mind the sign. Sign, you don't forget sign. So sign will come first, plus, and then 4b divided by 2.
2b.
2b. Very good. Then again the sign.
4C.
Plus
4C.
4c.
C.
The 4c. So this is the quotient. What you get? This is the quotient. This is divisor. Divisor. What do we call? Tell me, anyone. I don't remember.
What?
Divisor and quotient remainder. What we call?
Divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder.
Okay, this is the quotient. Remainder is 0.
0.
And what is
This
this?
is dividend.
Dividend. Okay.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. And
And
2
2 is divisor.
This is divisor. Okay. So we are dividing this expression by 2. So this is divisor.
A plus 2b plus 4c is quotient.
Yes, this is quotient.
and there is no remainder.
Okay, clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, last point is in the division of a polynomial by a polynomial, we factorize both the polynomial and cancel their common factors.
Common factors.
So here, in the earlier example, it was easy to divide, but now it will not be easy. So now you have to factorize first. Like see, in denominator, divisor was monomial. That's why you divided easily. Okay. So here 2a plus 4b plus 8c. Now you have to divide by 2a plus 4b plus you have to divide by a okay, take 2a 8b plus 4c. Okay, you have to divide like this. So you cannot divide directly. Why? Because here is polynomial. So you cannot add this one and you cannot divide, because same, if all are same, if all the terms are same in the divisor, dividend, and in divisor also same, then you can divide by 1. Okay. But here you cannot divide. You have to factorize it before dividing it. So what factors is the common factor in numerator? In dividend, what is the common factor? Tell me, anyone. Common this. What is common?
1.
1. 1 is everywhere. So forget in algebra, forget 1. There is no value of 1 in algebra.
2A, B और C.
2a, b और c कैसे common हो जाएगा? These are unlike terms. 2a is different, 4b is different, 8c is different. But the common thing is 2.
Common factor will be 2.
Yes.
2 bracket a plus 2b plus 4c.
Yes, common factor is 2 here. See, just now you divided everything by 2. Why? Because 2 is a common factor. That's why you divided. You cannot divide if common factor is not 2. You cannot divide all. So here 2 is the common factor. So you will take 2 outside, and then inside it will be left by a plus this one. If you divide 4b by 2, then it is 2b. Okay, and then 8 divided by 2. This is 4c. So this is common in between these 3 terms. Okay. Now downside, if you take 2 common, what will remain? A plus 4b plus
2c.
2c. See. So 2 and 2 under 2, it will cut. Okay, you will get this remaining. So you will cancel out the same term. Common factor 2 by 2. Okay.
A and A is also cut.
No, you cannot cut. This is the beauty of algebra. You cannot cut. This as a whole, you will have to think about this. This whole is same, then only you can.
Yeah. It is a one term.
Yeah, it's it's not a one term. This is one expression. If plus is there, you cannot.
Yeah.
You cannot divide or multiply. You can multiply, but you cannot divide by the other terms, other expression.
Okay, sir.
Unless both all are same. Everyone should be same. Here 2b, here should also be 2b. Here 4c, then here also should be 4c. Then only you can cut by 1. Okay. So this was the point.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Now we will go for question. Okay, solved example. This we did. The irreducible, you see. Example 3. The irreducible factorization of 3a cube plus 6a is. How you will, what is the common here? Common in both the terms?
3.
In both the terms?
3A.
A.
Yes, 3 is common and a is common, 1a. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you take out,
A is the correct answer.
yes, if you take out 3a outside, then what you will be left with? Here only a square, you will left a square.
Plus 6. Sorry, 2.
Plus 3a, you will take out 3a from 6a, you will left by only 2.
2.
Okay. So this is the correct answer. I will explain here for new guys who don't know how to multiply and divide. See, some rules are there. So a into a will be 2a, correct? Correct? Anyone?
No.
Other than Sabha and Saf. Right or wrong?
It is wrong.
It is wrong.
Who will say this is right? Who think it is right? Anyone? No one think it is right. So it is wrong. This is not equal to 2a. So what is it is equal to? Anyone?
A square.
A square.
Except Sabha and Saf. Don't answer.
A square. A square.
A square.
Sabha and Saf already finished this chapter. That's why I'm giving chance to others. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Hmm.
Sir.
So you will get a square here. So whatever a into a, that is a square. If 3 times a into a, then it will be a.
A cube.
A cube.
Okay. Now a square into, yes. Anuj,
A to the power 5. A to the power 5.
now Anuj is expert in.
Yeah, he is correct.
Yeah. What the same base? Base is same, so you will add this powers.
Powers.
And multiplication sign.
Sir, you guys are giant, sir.
Yes, repeat. Repeat. Dina or Yogandhan, who is telling? Repeat what you are asking. What you are asking, please repeat.
No, sir, Yugandhan is giant.
Oh. Okay. So if you multiply, okay. If you multiply a cube with b square, then what will the answer? Anuj, Piyush?
So we cannot tell.
No.
Yes, sir.
Saf? Don't tell.
AB to power 5.
When we will solve questions, then you are invited.
Okay, sir.
Sir, AB to power 5.
AB to the power 5.
Yes, sir.
Wrong.
Wrong answer.
Okay.
Anuj? Yes, Anuj.
Sir,
Anuj,
Yeah,
you can
the-
correct answer.
AB? Yes, tell me fast. You can't do anything because both are different.
AB to power
Sir
6.
can't do anything. Yes, base are also different and powers are also different.
Yes. So you just a cube and b square. Simply you have a cube b square. This will just
Yes, sir.
algebra. There is no.
Okay, sir.
It is
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
if you divide, same thing. If you divide a square by a cube, then what will be the answer? Anyone? Anuj, Piyush, Prashant, Dina, Yogendran.
Sir, A with the power 6.
A to the power 6.
Sir, yeah, power 5, sir.
No.
sir a to the power -1.
Very good.
Correct answer.
Right answer.
You
So
can also say that 1 by A.
yeah, or 1 by a. You can say 1 by a. No problem. So a is the base is same. A. So power will be
and division and the power will minus.
subtracted 2 minus 3. Okay, that is a to the power -1. That is
-1.
1 upon a. Okay,
Yes.
Anuj is now
Yes,
understanding
sir.
everything.
clear about multiplication and division. Now addition. If you want to add a plus a, yes, Anuj, answer. Anuj,
A square.
no.
2A.
No.
That's
2A.
That's what to teach you.
That's work in multiplication.
Yes. A into a is a square and a plus a is
Yes.
a.
2a.
2A.
Okay. So these are the
Yes, sir.
frequent mistakes what we do in this age. Okay. In this stage we do this type of mistakes. I know it. That's why I'm taking this class. Okay, a plus a is not 2a square. This is wrong. It is equal to 2a.
2a.
2a plus 2b. What will you say?
टूट गया मुझसे तो
Anyone?
2A, sir.
It's
2A 2B.
2A, sir.
nahi, it's nothing. It's nothing.
Yes.
What nothing? So what will the answer? Tell me. Same?
2A, sir.
Yes, yes. Two. Nahi, two.
2AB wrong.
Wrong.
It's
4A,
same. It's same. It's same. 2A plus 2B.
Okay, it will be same because these are
Anuj is right. Unlike terms.
unlike terms.
Because
Yeah.
these are unlike terms.
Maximum what you can do, you can take 2 as a
You
common.
can factorize
Two
2A
as a
plus B.
Saf,
2 bracket A plus B.
तुमको सब पता है तुम क्यों बोल रहे हो ये सिखाने
हमको म्यूट कर दीजिए सर, वो जो होता है ना नहीं कर सकते वो वाला कर दीजिए, हम बार बार खोल देते हैं अपना माइक।
नहीं वैसा नहीं करो स्टार्टिंग है ना तो
Control, control, control.
कंट्रोल बाजी कंट्रोल ठीक है तो यहाँ पे क्या है अभी बेसिक थोड़ा समझा रहे हैं मैक्सिमम व्हाट you can take common from both the unlike terms. So what is common in unlike terms? See,
Two.
for example, if you people are interested in politics, then I'll give example. Anyone interested in politics?
No, no.
Yes, sir.
No one.
No.
See,
Yes, sir, me too.
what happened in Maharashtra? Congress is there and
कांग्रेस एंड एनसीपी।
no, Congress and CP is same.
Shiv Sena.
Both are different. Different parties by their ideology. Okay, by their ideology, both are different. But how they make government there with
अलायंस।
They're joining to each other.
CMP. What is called CMP? Common Minimum Program. Some things are common in Congress and some things are common in Shiv Sena. So they took the common things. Whatever is common in between Congress and
They took the common factor.
took common factors. So they are working as a common minimum program. So whatever is common, we will talk with that. What is the difference? We will not talk about that. What is the difference between Congress and Shiv Sena? We will not talk about that. We will only work on common minimum program. Whatever we have common agenda. Okay.
Oh,
So this is the
yes, sir.
which is the very good example of common factors. So here common factor is 2 is here, 2 is here. So we can take 2 outside. This is common minimum program 2. And the difference is A plus B. So this is Congress, this is Shiv Sena and this is
Shiv Sena.
okay.
BJP.
No, common factor. Okay, understand. Now some more examples of plus minus. Okay, so 2A square plus 3A. Answer, anyone except
5A.
5A cube. 5A cube.
5A cube. You are multiplying and adding everything.
Yes.
No, it's wrong.
5. It's wrong.
Hmm.
It is.
Yes, anyone?
It is 5A.
It is 5A. This is also wrong. What is the condition for like terms? You can add only your terms are like. You can add only if your terms are like.
Yes. These are like.
There is no answer.
Power should also be same. Power should also be same and the base should also be same. Then only you can add. So here power is here 1, not written, that is 1, and here 2. So powers are different. So you can't do anything, and there is no common program also. There is no common. This is 2 and this is 3. So what will happen?
It can't possible.
Yeah, it is not possible to add.
Add.
Okay. Some other example. 2A square plus 4A square. Okay, now tell
Nothing.
what nothing. Always nothing. Sometimes it happens.
Here is something.
Something. Yes, Anuj.
Yes, ma'am.
6A square.
6A square. Very good. Correct. 6A square is correct. 4 plus, see, common terms. No common, like terms. Okay. These are like terms. This and this are like terms. Why? Because base are same and power is also same. So you can add it. So 4 plus 2, it is 6. Okay. Now, other example. These are basics. If you clear these basics, everything will be easy.
Yes, sir.
Now 3A square plus 9b square. Yes, what will come?
Nothing,
Not
sir.
possible.
Not
Not possible.
Not possible. Not possible.
is possible. Anything common minimum program? Anything common from this 3 and 9?
3.
Yes. 3 you can take out.
Yeah.
3 is common because you can divide 9 by 3 and 3 by 3. So there is you will be remaining with
A plus B whole square.
a square plus no b
B square.
3b square. You
3b
get
square.
3 from this 9. So 3 3 is the 9. 3b square. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now one more thing I just remember. One more thing. A square plus b square. This is equal to a plus b whole square. How many says this is right and how many says this is wrong? Just tell me who
It is right. It is right.
Right.
It is correct.
It is right, sir.
is right.
इसमें हम लोग भाग ले सकते हैं.
Everyone is right.
Yes.
हम बताएं.
Yes. Yes.
नहीं ये
No,
गलत
sir.
Wrong.
No.
Wrong है ये.
Wrong.
No, wrong.
Wrong.
प्लस
Wrong.
2ab भी आना चाहिए. प्लस 2ab ऐड कर दीजिए आगे.
कहाँ पे ऐड कर दें? यहाँ पे.
ऊपर पे हाँ तब सही है. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट.
Then correct है. Very good. अनुज तो पूरा एकदम मतलब क्या हो
पूरा
गया?
ओवरकम कर रहा है अपना फियर्स. सही है लेकिन.
सही है. Very good. Good going.
एक टाइम आएगा सबसे आगे.
अब लग रहा है कि मेरे पढ़ाने
हाँ. कुछ असर है हो रहा है.
हो रहा है.
कोचिंग छोड़ी कि नहीं?
कुछ हो रहा है उसको.
ट्यूशन छोड़ेगी नहीं भाई? ट्यूशन
नहीं.
छोड़ दिया.
नहीं छोड़ा होगा.
नहीं छोड़ा अभी.
ठीक है.
कम ध्यान दे रहा है कोचिंग पे.
So like this you have to think. Okay, now we'll come for example. Is finished. Okay, this one.
ये तो हमको भी ख्याल नहीं आया था कि 2ab लगा देंगे तो सेम हो जाएगा.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसीलिए तो शाबाशी दिया अनुज को.
हम्म.
हो चुका है. यहाँ देखेंगे ये नहीं हुआ. 8 एग्जाम्पल 8 कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ x स्क्वायर y एंड माइनस x स्क्वायर y इज xy. ये तो बता दिया था ना, कल बताया था. चलो क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं सीधा. फैक्टराइज द फॉलोइंग. फैक्टराइज करना है. चलो कौन कौन करेगा फैक्टराइज? फर्स्ट
हम.
दोनों में कॉमन चलो फर्स्ट
Yes, sir.
क्या कॉमन है? सबसे पहले तो नंबर में देख लो क्या कॉमन है. 21 and 20.
Yes, sir. 3 and 7 is common.
One factor. Okay, so first you will take 3 outside. Then see the x. What is common? Here it is x square. Here it is x cube. So
X will remain. X.
will take common. What you can take?
X.
Both.
X. बोला था X.
Not x. Maximum what you can take? Maximum, not minimum. Maximum. So
3.
have 2x means
Yes.
what is this? First one, this have 2x means x into x. Don't understand.
Yes, sir.
2x. I don't mean this 2x. This
It will be x square.
2x and other x into x into x. It has 3x. So how many x you can take from both? Maximum
2
2. It will be x square common. How
x square.
explaining how to take common? Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
We also take y square.
Nuj. Ajay, you are
Yes, sir.
Piyush is solving this. So let him finish. Okay. So what you will take? Piyush,
Yeah.
from x
X square.
square you can take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is the
3x square
square and what about from y?
and y square.
Y is
Y square.
outside. So what will be remaining in the bracket?
7 y
7 y
plus
plus
9x.
9x. Okay, everyone
Yes, sir.
clear? Everyone? This is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next chance is
Yes, sir.
second one. Anuj, second one. This one. Factorize.
Sir.
You can take common from the
Yes, sir.
what you can take common?
A square.
A square by from all.
नहीं, from a cube or 4a square.
Okay, from these two terms, a cube and 4a square, he will take out a square. Okay, so what will be here?
Minus 4a.
And what about a cube is here? You took a square, then a is remaining here, first term.
Yes, a. Minus 4a.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Minus 4, sorry, minus 4.
Plus sign is there. This is remaining.
Yes, yes.
So plus, and what you take common from 12 and 3?
4.
3. 3, 4.
Sorry, 3, huh?
Then
3,
what
4, 12.
thing?
A.
A. What A? If you take 3 from 12, what will be remaining in multiplication? 3 4s are 12. 4 will be remaining. Okay.
Yes.
And here
A.
So minus A. Okay. So this is the factor, but this is not completed. So what you will do? See, here it is A minus 4. Here 4 minus A. Sign is changed. Only sign is changed.
Yes.
So how you can change this sign? If you want to write A minus 4, then what will be the changes? One concept is there. Just A plus 4. Oh, sorry. A minus 4. Okay. So now we'll talk about 1. 1. There is no importance of 1 in algebra, but minus 1 is very important in algebra. Minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, it can change the whole number.
It can change the sign of whole expression. This
Yes,
minus
sir.
can change the sign of whole expression. Okay. So here two terms are there. So what happened? If you take minus 1 common from here, then what will be remaining? If you take minus 1 common, then what will be remaining here? See,
A minus 3.
no, first term, in first term. First term is A. If you want to write its factor with minus 1, then what will you multiply so that it will come A? What will you multiply in minus 1 so that it will be A?
May I?
Yes,
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
minus 1. So it will be 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, it will be 1.
Sorry, minus a into minus a.
Yes, very good. Minus 1 into minus A is A. So if you want to take out minus 1 from this A, what will be remaining? From these two, if you want to take out this one, what will be remaining? This one.
A.
Minus A.
Minus A.
Minus A.
And what about this? From minus 4, if you take out minus 1, what will be remaining?
Minus
Minus
3. 4. It will be 4.
Here already minus 4.
Hello.
So what is the factor of minus 4?
Yeah.
Minus 1. Minus 2, 4.
4.
Remaining plus 4. See, if you multiply this, what you will get? You will get back this one. Multiply it.
Yes.
This will be A. Minus 1 into 4. This will
Yeah.
be minus 4.
Minus 4.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So like same here, 4 minus A. See, simply you remember this. You can, if you understand, then you can remember that any expression 3 plus A. So this is plus A. If you take out minus 1 outside, what will be remaining? Same thing will be there, but sign will be
Yes.
sign. Here it is plus, it will be minus 3. Here it is plus, it will be minus A.
It is minus A.
Okay. So you have to remember this concept. But when you remember, if you understand this concept, then only remember. Otherwise, don't do rectification. Okay.
Yes, sir.
4 minus A is there. What you will get if you take minus 1 common from it? It will become, yes,
Minus 4.
minus 4 plus A. Or you can write plus A minus 4. Okay, you can write like this. Terms you can write left, right, no problem. If there is A plus A minus 4, you can write minus 4 plus A, no problem. Okay, but you have to make sure about this signs.
Okay, sir.
It's very important in algebra. Okay, so here question is 4 minus A. Here it is A minus 4. So you have to exchange this sign, change this sign. So you will take -1 outside. So 3 will become -3. And this will become a minus 4. Okay? Any problem in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
A square, a minus 4, minus 3, a minus 4. So these are now again common terms. A minus 4, a minus 4.
Yes.
So why we did this? To take before it was minus 4. Different terms. Now they are like terms. How it became like terms? We take -1 outside and multiplied by 3. 3 into -1 will be -3. So common, if you take common from these two terms, what is the common? A minus 4 is the common.
Then a square minus 3
Square remaining, then minus of 3 remaining.
is the answer.
Factorization. This is the real factorization. Okay?
It is basic. Basic.
This is real factorization.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, can you teach
No,
this?
sir.
Tell me again. What happened?
Can you teach again this, sir?
Again, this one. From where? From which point? You did not understand.
I think he's saying from the starting. I think.
Yes, sir.
ध्यान से समझते हैं.
From where you did not understand? Tell me.
So he's saying from the starting.
From starting,
Starting, sir.
10 o'clock,
Yes, sir.
10:30.
No, he's saying from factorize.
Today we started factorize.
No, sir. That question.
Class.
Question
From
number
question.
He is online in
From question number 2.
his school.
I don't know, sir.
The sound is coming. Who is Yes, Dina, Yogendran.
Yeah, sir. Dina के side से आ रहा है.
हाँ समझ गए. From where you did not understand? You did not understand how to take -1.
Second, sir.
-1 you did not. Second one I will explain again. Just concentrate.
It will take so many time.
So what happened?
भूख लगी है सर.
जाओ ना, खाते रहो, पढ़ते रहो. यही तो फायदा है ऑनलाइन में.
ऐसा नहीं होगा सर.
ऐसा नहीं होगा. ठीक है, 10 मिनट
यस सर.
सॉल्व करते हैं.
फोकस हट जाता है.
ये वाला सॉल्व करते हैं, उसके बाद क्लास फिनिश. ठीक है.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Yes, concentrate please. So here, what we see here, these all terms are different. See, there is no common in all terms. So first we check which are the terms which have common things. So here it is common A and A. Okay, so you can take A as a common. So this will be A square minus 4A and minus 3 and remaining plus 12. So this is long, this is the lengthy process. Okay.
Yes.
This is very lengthy process. So you will have to take 2 and 2. Then only you can. So anyone can think like this also. That's why I write here. Anyone can think like this also. So you can write like this also. You can factorize, but it is lengthy. So better you take 2 parts like this. So start from this a cube and minus 4a square. So you will take a square common. So a minus 4. Okay. In this a square is common. So remaining a plus minus 4. Okay. And there is sign plus sign. And then you take 12 and 3. You take common. What is common? 3 is common. In 12 and 3 is common. So 3 into 4 it is 12. 4 minus a. From here you did not understand what we did. After this what we did, we just made same terms, like terms. These are not like terms now. Now these are not like terms. This is a minus 4 and this is 4 minus a. So these are not like terms. So what we did, we took minus 1 common. We took out minus 1 from this. So what we get? A square, a minus 4 plus 3 and multiply by minus 1 we take common. So we will get a minus 4. How? I already explained. Okay. Yes, Yogendran, Dina, you know how this is changed from 4 minus a to a minus 4. You know how it changed?
Reciprocal, sir.
Not reciprocal. You took minus 1 common from this. If you take anything common from any expression a plus b, if you take minus 1 common, minus 1, if you take minus outside, it will be, the sign will be changed. It will be minus a minus b. See how? If you multiply this minus inside the bracket, what you will get? Minus minus plus. If you multiply minus with minus, you will get a. Minus with by minus plus. So plus, and again minus multiply by minus a. It will be plus b. So again you will get, again you got the same term.
Okay, sir.
Understand? Whenever you will take minus 1 out,
Yeah, sir, I will understand, sir.
minus or minus 1 both are same. Minus or minus 1 both are same. Okay? So if you took out
Okay, sir.
outside from the bracket, all the sign will be changed.
Okay, sir.
So like this here, minus 1 we took out. So here minus 4 remaining and this plus a. So now this minus 1 will be multiplied by 3.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
No, sir.
There your problem.
Your voice is good.
3 minus 3 into a minus 4. Okay? Up to here you understand. A square, a minus 4. Up to here you understand. Now what we did, these are two terms, this one and this one second term. So in 2, what is common? What is common? See, bracket is common. A minus 4, a minus 4. So you can take outside a minus 4 as a common term. And what you remain in first term, you will be remaining by,
A square minus 3.
and in second term,
A square minus 3.
in second term you will get 3. Okay? So what you get? A minus 4 multiplied by, in bracket, a square minus 3. So these are two factors. First factor is a minus 4 and second factor is a square minus 3. Okay? So these are two factors. So what you did actually, you factorize. You factorize this expression. Which expression? This one. This expression. You factorize this expression into these two factors. Okay? So this was factorization. We will continue it tomorrow or in night. If anyone want to repeat this one, you can see in the video also. The video will be available after some time. Link, I will share this link. You can see it repeatedly so that you can understand. Okay?
Okay, sir.
I will do this one.
Bye, sir.
3 o'clock there will be class for class 6.